been a little over 2.5 weeks since I did my first dethatching and initial fertilization here on this lawn. And you can see that just in 2.5 weeks, we've already substantially improved. I've already had to mow it twice now, and we're going to do it again today. But I don't know if you can see, just growing in really nicely. And, coming in nice and full, nice and green, just really nice. What I'll do here is I'll show you a picture of from this vantage point when I did the dethatching, and then you can kind of see it in comparison to today. It really came together well. Another important aspect of lawn care that we're going to cover now today is lawn mowing. I've got two different lawn mowers. We're going to actually do a comparison side by side. I've got an electric Makita, and then I've got a Honda. And we'll just kind of test those side by side, see how they do with the grass, and then you can watch me mow this section here. Proper lawn mowing is important, and you want to be sure that you're mowing frequently enough that you're not removing an excessive amount of the grass. So this has grown quite a bit, slightly more than probably I'd like it to be. I usually cut my lawn at about 2.5 inches. 2.5 to 3 inches is a nice height that I like. Here early in the spring I go 2.5 as it warms up. I run it a little higher just to help keep the grass a little longer, shade the ground a little bit, and save some water. So anyway, let's get out the lawnmowers. Okay, we got the two mowers here. Got the Honda HRX217. I've been using Honda lawnmowers exclusively for nearly the last 20 years. They do an amazing job. It's sad that they're not going to be made anymore. So if you're watching this in 2023 and you want one, this is the last year you can buy one, so run out and get one. And then I've also got this Makita electric lawnmower. So the 36 volt model. Let's see, the actual model number is the XML08. And I've had great success with this lawnmower. Anyway, we'll just do a quick side-by-side comparison on these two machines. And it'll just take a swipe down here and look at the cut quality, see what you think. So we'll start with Makita. Just turn on the power right here. This adjusts your speed right here. All you got to do is push that button right there, pull the bail, and we're off. Okay, so you know the grass isn't crazy long or anything, but did pretty good. Let's move on to the Honda. All right, got it running. We'll rev it up here. Okay, so side-by-side comparison. I think you can kind of tell from the camera the cut quality of the Honda is quite a bit superior compared to the Makita. And I think that's just because of the higher RPMs, gets a little more lift, and you're able to get more of the grass cut compared to what the Makita can do. And the Makita is still a great electric lawnmower, but and I don't know if it's coming across on the camera or not, but you can see that between the two, the cut quality of the Honda is just a lot better. So anyway, there's that comparison for you. I don't have very much gas, hardly any gas at all for the Honda today. So I'm actually going to use the Makita to mow this today. So let's get this done. Okay, we're all finished, and I thought you might like to see how full the bag is. There it is. So it certainly filled it up well. No complaints there. It did a very good job collecting the grass. But you can see it still leaves a very nice cut, certainly acceptable for me. Okay, here you guys go. The sun just came out right after I finished mowing, so you can really see how nice the grass is looking now with some sunlight instead of it being behind the clouds. So anyway, coming along nicely. I'm happy with it. Like I said, we'll get some of these spots right over here repaired. Generally speaking, the yard as a whole here is looking really good, even over there. Thanks for joining us, and if you like these kinds of videos, be sure and like and subscribe, because we've got more videos coming up about lawn care and how to keep it looking nice the whole year. Catch you next time.